do not put stops way up here. I was doing the Strat Camp webinar last week, and one of the students was like, no, I'm in this other strat group, and they say put your stops way up here. No, absolutely not. No, we do not put our stops way up here. That is way too much risk. Way too much risk. You want your stop here, you want your stop down here. All right, even here, from if your entry is here and your stop's here, that's still way too much in options. You need them tight stops. Getting stopped out is a part of this strategy. All right, we do not want to get killed. Protecting our capital is the most important thing in the strat. I'm sorry. I had to say it because I was shocked. I was like, they're telling you what? Oh yeah. It's a strat group. This is what. All right, learning the strat on the street's dangerous.